First, wash your hands. Melt the butter. Crush the biscuits. Add the biscuits to the butter. If you want, you could put some golden syrup or honey in too. Spoon into your dish. You could make one big one. I'm going to make lots of mini cheesecakes. Press down with a spoon. Put in the fridge to set. Whisk the cream, the cheese and the sugar together. Add some vanilla. Spoon on top of your biscuit. Put in the fridge to set. Once set, you can decorate however you want. I've used Oreos, or you can make a fruit face or a fruit flower. Finally, the most important step, eat it. Enjoy!